Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and today we will talk about the disorders of middle ear in our topic of ENT. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section we will talk about the acute suppurative otitis media. And in this we will talk about the routes of infection, what are the different routes that ultimately leads to infection of the middle ear. Then we will talk about some predisposing factor which the patient might have to develop otitis media. And then also the treatment plan. Then in the second section, we will talk about the pathology of acute suppurative otitis media, in which we will talk about the stage of tubal occlusion and pre-suppuration. And then we will talk about the stage of resolution and stage of complications. In the third section, we will talk some other forms of otitis media besides the suppurative otitis media. And in this, we will talk about acute necrotizing otitis media with effusion, etiology, clinical features, and some hearing tests. Then some other disorders of middle ear in section 4, in which we will talk about the sequel of chronic secretory otitis media, recurrent acute otitis media, and then the management. And in the fifth and final section, we will talk about aero-otitis media. What are the clinical features of aero-otitis media? What's the treatment and how we can prevent it? So all these topics will be covered in our today's lecture, Disorders of the Middle Ear. So hopefully you are interested to learn more about this topic. So to learn more about this, keep watching sqadia.com.